Having run a landscape lighting design build company, Dayloom, for the last 26 years in Northern Virginia, a question that I'm asked a lot by my customers is, can't I just design it myself? Can't I have a guy just put it in? And really when that happens, you typically have a disjointed design where it's not cohesive, the composition isn't thought about. Really the art of lighting isn't brought into its nature, the focal point's not there, the light levels aren't balanced. And so a lighting designer does bring a different level of the overall feel and look. And so a lighting designer is going to look at that both from experience of working at night, to looking at the photometrics, to understanding what the light is going to do, to hiding light glare, and it just creates such a better feel. And lighting, just one light source being out of place can actually ruin the feel of the entire project. So having a lighting designer that's really that focused on detail makes a huge difference.